set a backlight feature on Garmin Tactix and Garmin Fenix, press and hold the menu button just right here and go up to reach the bottom of the page. Then enter into System and go down to Backlight. The first option you have here is the night vision. This one is a pretty good feature when you are in pitch black in the middle of the night and you don't want to use light to light up your environment but still want to see your watch. It will take on a very dim light on your watch so you can see it but it doesn't blind you. You can also quickly access this feature into the controls just right here. Then you got settings for during an activity and not during an activity and during sleep. They all have pretty much the same settings, they just vary from state to another. So let's see what we have as option into during an activity. So keys. Do you want that when you press keys on the watch that the light turns on every time or not? Or yes, after sunset? Let's say on, because if you are in the basement, there is no light and you want to see something by controlling your watch, I think it's great to have it on. Then on alerts, so when you receive an alert on your phone and it pop up on your watch, do you want the backlight to turn on automatically? Yes, no, or only after sunset? It's always the same thing. Gesture. Gesture is when you move your watch face up and you have to do like a little quick move to get it on. And the timeout is the time you want to have the light turn on. So it can be anywhere, somewhere between 4, 8, 15, 30, 1 minute, and always, which is kind of extreme. I think 8 seconds is great. And you can choose the brightness of that light. This one will go between 5 and 100. And 100 is very bright. And yeah, you will find the same option not during an activity. And you will also find about the same feature into sleep. And that's it. You can come back to the main page by pressing the back button a couple of times. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here, and you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.